Everyone tells you that overthinking is bad, stop thinking too much, or just go with the flow, or overthinking will ruin your life, or it will cause cancer, or whatever. But what if I told you that overthinking is your greatest superpower? But most people misuse it, which leads to stress, anxiety, and indecision. But most smartest and the most successful people in the world, they master their overthinking and they use it to dominate their life. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can master yours and how you can improve yours. So first of all, let's break a myth. Overthinking isn't the problem, but the real problem is uncontrolled overthinking. Overthinking that makes you anxious, bad. Overthinking that paralyzes you, bad. Overthinking that keeps you stuck, that is also bad. But the ability to analyze, break things down, and think deeply, that is the ultimate weapon. See, the difference between people who succeed and those who fail is simple. One learns how to control their thinking and the other gets controlled by it. And if you're controlled by it, don't worry. Here is how you can take control back. Step number 1, turn overthinking into strategic thinking. See, overthinking is chaotic thinking. It's like a computer with too many tabs open. But strategic thinking, on the other hand, is organized thinking. So instead of asking, what if this goes wrong? What if I fail? Or what if people judge me? Ask that, what is the worst case scenario and how could I handle it? Or what are the solutions for these problems? Or what can I do right now to fix this? See the difference? One keeps you paralyzed and the other makes you powerful. Step number 2, use overthinking to master decision making. And here's a crazy fact. Most of the people are obsessive thinkers. Like Steve Jobs overthought every details about Apple products. And Elon Musk overthinks every problem until he finds the solutions that nobody else sees. And chess masters overthinks every move before making one. And the decision is that they make decisions and take action. So if you're stuck in your head, then give yourself a deadline. For example, for big decisions like career or relationships, give yourself like 24 hours to decide. And for small things like what to eat or what to wear, give yourself like 10 seconds to decide. And the faster you decide, the less stress you'll feel. Step number 3, overthink the right things. If you're going to overthink, at least do it on things that actually matters. Instead of overthinking what people think of you, overthink how you can improve your skills. Instead of overthinking of texting them back or not, overthink that how you can increase your value. And instead of overthinking what if you fail, overthink how you can win faster. See bro, your brain and your mind is more powerful than you think. Like literally, your brain and your mind is more powerful. But just make sure that it's working for you, not against you. See, overthinking is like a knife. If you use it the wrong way, it will hurt you. But if you use it correctly, then it becomes a tool for success. So don't stop overthinking and start overthinking the right way. And if you learned something from this video, you know what to do. I'm not going to tell you. And this is the end. Have a good day.